Welcome to ChilliTech. In today's episode, we bring you the 8 best gaming laptops to buy right now, plus the first gaming computer in history. So stick around until the end, give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Let's go. At number 8, we have the Razer Blade Pro 17. Razer still believes in going big or going home. The latest Razer Blade Pro 17 seeks to wrap the functionality of a gaming laptop and a workstation in a nice slim CNC aluminium bow. It's the latest to incorporate Intel's 10th gen octa-core H-series processor into the mix, along with NVIDIA's new RTX Super GPU-S. And if that isn't enough, Razer has upgraded its always lovely displays to a 300Hz refresh rate, which should be music to the ears of gamers in pursuit of buttery smooth graphics for serious accuracy. Those powerful specs allow the laptop to go toe-to-toe with its main competitors on both the gaming and multitasking fronts. The Blade Pro 17 also manages to deliver great endurance on our battery test, lasting nearly 5 hours, and it also has a great webcam, which is somewhat of an anomaly in laptops in general. At number 7, we have the Acer Predator Triton 500. Acer Predator Triton 500 impresses with its slim and light chassis and packs a serious punch with a slew of powerful components, including an 8th gen Intel processor and one of NVIDIA's new RTX 2080 Max-Q graphics. It offers a great mix of graphics and overall power, something you can get in every gaming laptop. And thanks to the turbo option, you can squeeze even more power out of the GPU. It comes in handy for some of the more demanding titles available, like Doom Eternal. The 15.6-inch panel is nice and vivid with a passable audio system and full-size keyboard with nice click keys. The gaming laptop also sports an SSD with blink and you'll miss it speed. If you want serious power in the nice portable design, the Acer Predator Triton is a good gaming laptop that should be at the top of your list. At number 6, we have the Asus ROG Strix Scar 3. It looks like the third time's the charm for Asus. The company is back with the ROG Strix Scar 3, and the new version is just as badass as its predecessor. For $1,799 you get a powerful gaming laptop with an RTX 2060 GPU wrapped in a chassis packing a smooth 15.6-inch 240Hz panel. In addition, you have a comfortable keyboard and a cool ROG keystone, a magnetic encrypted key that unlocks custom lighting effects for the laptop, as well as a piece of storage that's locked on your hard drive. The Strix Scar 3 is quite the impressive gaming laptop, offering strong performance, a 240Hz panel, long battery life, a clicky keyboard and decent speakers. The laptop easily barreled through our battery of tests and even managed to last over 5 hours on our battery test. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix Scar 3 is one of the top gaming laptops you can buy right now. At number 5, we have the Asus ROG Flow X13. Asus has done it again. They've changed the definition of what a best gaming laptop is. By itself, the Asus ROG Flow X13 is a compelling laptop. It's very rare to see a 13-inch gaming system, and even rarer for it to be a 2-in-1. But Asus didn't stop there. They threw a high-powered AMD Ryzen 9 processor into the mix, and even outfitted the notebook with its own discrete NVIDIA GPU. It's when the XG Mobile comes into play where things get interesting. For the life of me, I'm baffled about how they fix an RTX 3080 into such a small enclosure. Even though I wish Asus could have found a more elegant solution than that huge proprietary plug, I can't argue with results. The XG Mobile is the proverbial trap card transforming into the dark magician of gaming laptops. It doesn't have any right to be as powerful as it is, but here we are, again impressed by Asus' ingenuity. At number 4, we have the Asus Zephyrus Duo 15. The Asus Zephyrus G15 takes all the lessons Asus has learned from previous systems and fine-tuned everything to create the first step towards its take of the best gaming laptop. In addition to the dual 4K displays, you get the system with an overclockable Intel Core i9 processor, an NVIDIA RTX Super GPU, and a pair of blisteringly fast SSDs. It's just an outright beastly machine designed for gaming. But as its svelte, stylish frame reveals, this is still very much a laptop for content creators and productivity users. And it's still got plenty of bells and whistles, including the AAS cooling system, which has been modified to allow the secondary screen to raise, making it easier for gamers to quickly glance down and keep track of the action. If you are looking to experience the future of gaming laptops, you can't beat the Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 15. At number 3, we have the Lenovo Legion Y545. The Lenovo Legion Y545 is an entry-level gaming laptop that under-promises and over-delivers. The laptop's discrete NVIDIA graphics chip serves up a surprising amount of power, with above-average results. And when you're not gaming, the laptop's Core i7 processor is more than capable of allowing you to create spreadsheets, do some light video editing, and of course watch some movies on that beautiful 1080p display. With its industrial design accentuated by clean, attractive lines, the Lenovo Legion Y545 presents a nice contrast to many of its flashier counterparts. It's great for gamers looking to eschew all the bells, whistles, pomp and circumstance. And if you need them, the Y545 has enough ports to support a nice fleet of peripherals. If you're looking to game on a budget without sacrificing too much performance, the Lenovo Legion Y545 is a great choice. At number 2, we have the Alienware M17R4. If power and super high refresh rates are paramount, the Alienware M17R4 is the best gaming laptop for you. The laptop gives you all the bells and whistles, the ray tracing, superior multitasking performance, a light show that would make the aliens in Close Encounters of the Third Kind feel inadequate, plus the latest iteration of Alienware's badass desktop replacement retains that lovely legend design and brings some new players to its high-powered party. And if that isn't enough, you have NVIDIA's RTX 3080 GPU, the new king of mobile graphics, and with it comes a whole host of new improvements, including Ray Tracing 2.0 and Advanced Optimus. Alienware's also improved its ChilliTech cooling solution, and is one of the first gaming laptops to feature a display with a 360Hz refresh rate. Throw in some updated ports and that overclockable Intel Core i9 and you've got a formidable beast of a laptop. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G15 leads the race to the number 1 spot. We didn't think Asus could improve on the excellent ROG Zephyrus G14, which easily earned a spot on our biggest gaming laptop page, but we were wrong. The company did it again with the Asus ROG Zephyrus G15, once again powered by an AMD processor and an NVIDIA RTX GPU. The laptop is showing up and showing out on both the gaming and overall performance fronts. And if that's not enough, Asus also improved on the anime matrix display in the lid, adding a prismatic film that causes the lid to glow in a gorgeous rainbow. It's absolutely striking. Asus is also upping the ante on the display, bringing the 1440p 165Hz panel into the mix for sharp details and smooth rendering. The laptop also has great speakers, which is a rarity these days in laptops. The G15 also can last a while with over 8 hours of battery life. Unfortunately, the laptop still lacks a webcam, but for everything that the G15 is bringing to the table, it's quite a small quibble. For a cool piece of retro tech, the first gaming computer ever, the Nimrod. For the Festival of Britain exhibition of science in South Kensington, London, which opened on May the 5th, 1951 in commemoration of the 100th anniversary of the Great Exhibition of 1851, Ferrante built a special purpose computer called Nimrod. The Nimrod was designed exclusively to play with the game of Nim. This is a simple game where you start with a number of piles of tokens, traditionally matches. Each player in turn takes one or more tokens from any one pile, and the game continues until the last token is taken from the last remaining pile. Don't forget to follow us on all our other socials where we share updates too. Also, if you liked the video and want to see more, why not give us a like, hit the subscribe button and give our channel a follow too. Adios amigos.